Riya, we can't see air, but why is it important?
Yes, what does air do?
Let's look at these pictures and find out. Look, we need air for breathing. Yes, we cannot live without air.
So see this, air is used for filling tires. That helps vehicles move.
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah. Clothes are drying in air. Air helps them dry faster. Birds are flying. They use air to fly.
Hello children, air is very useful. We cannot live without air. We breathe with the help of air. Air helps us to breathe. It is used to fill tires. It helps in drying clothes. It helps birds to fly. Now tell me, can we live without air? Name one use of air. Good job! Today we learned about uses of air. Air is very important for us.
Hello children, I am number 46. 4 and 6 together make number 46. Hello children, I am number 47. 4 and 7 together make number 47.
Welcome back children. Today we will learn about number 46 and 47. This is number 46 and 47. 4 and 6 together make number 46. The spelling of number 46 is F-O-R-T-Y-S-I-X. 46. 4 and 7 together make number 47. The spelling of number 47 is F-O-R-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N. 47. Now children, you count them one by one, slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 46 balls and 47 balls. Very good children. See you all in the next session. Keep practicing.
Hello.
It is a fat rat. The fat rat is in a cap. This is a cap. This is a green cap. There is a gap in the green cap. It is a pig. It is a big pig. The big pig is in the pit. There is a fig. There is a can. The fig and the can are in the bin. This is a pot. The pot has mud. The mud in the pot is brown.
Welcome back children. Today we learned a picture story. We saw a fat rat in a cap. We saw a green cap with a gap. We saw a big pig in a pit. We saw a fig and a can in a bin. We saw small green pods. And we saw a pot with brown mud. Very good children.
Hello children, I am number 97. 9 and 7 together make number 97. Hello children, I am number 98. 9 and 8 together make number 98.
Welcome back children. Today we will learn about number 97 and 98. This is number 97 and 98. 9 and 7 together make number 97. The spelling of number 97 is N-I-N-E-T-Y-S-E-V-E-N, 97. 9 and 8 together make number 98. The spelling of number 98 is N-I-N-E-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T. Now children, you count them one by one slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 97 ice creams and 98 stars. Very good children. See you all in the next session. Keep practicing.
Hi, my name is Riya. I am 6 years old. My school's name is Sunshine School. I love my school.
Welcome back children. Today we learned how to introduce ourselves. We say, "Hi, my name is Pragya." Then we tell our age. Next we say our school's name. And we say, "I love my school." Now you try to introduce yourself. Very good children.
Hello children, I am number 48. 4 and 8 together make number 48.
Hello, children. I am number 49. 4 and 9 together make number 49.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 48 and 49. This is number 48 and 49. 4 and 8 together make number 48. A spelling of number 48 is Fortyght, 48. 4 and 9 together make number 49. The spelling of number 49 is Fortynine, 49. Now children, you count them one by one, slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 48 balls and 49 balls. Very good children. See you all in the next session. Keep practicing.
Story name is The Foolish Donkey. A salt seller used to carry the salt bag on his donkey to the market every day. On the way, they had to cross a stream. One day, the donkey suddenly tumbled down the stream and the salt bag also fell into the water. The salt dissolved in the water and hence the bag became very light to carry. The donkey was happy. Then the donkey started to play the same trick every day. The salt seller came to understand the trick and decided to teach a lesson to it. The next day, he loaded a cotton bag on the donkey. Again, it played the same trick, hoping that the cotton bag would still become lighter. But the dampened cotton became very heavy to carry, and it suffered much. It learned a lesson. Afterwards, it did not play the trick, and the seller was happy. Moral of story is, luck won't favor always.
Hello, children. I am a cube. I have 6 equal faces. All my sides are the same. This is a Rubik's Cube. It looks like me.
This is a footstool. It also looks like me. This is a gift box. It looks like me too. These are the things that look like a cube.
Welcome back, children. Today we learned about a cube. A cube has 6 equal faces. All its sides are the same. We also saw objects like a cube, such as a Rubik's Cube, a footstool, and a gift box. Now look around and try to find cube-shaped objects near you. Very good, children.